Now, the World Health Organization says it is monitoring a new coronavirus variant known as Mu. The health body says the variant has mutations that indicate a risk of resistance against vaccines. Details in this report.
With a slower vaccine pace in developing and underdeveloped countries, controlling the pandemic has already been difficult. While the new variants complicate the efforts, the World Health Body has classified Mu, which was first identified in Colombia in January, a variant of interest, saying it has the potential properties of immune escape. Meanwhile, globally, the infections tally has exceeded 217 million, with a death toll of over 4.5 million. The U.S. State Department has raised a travel advisory alert for Canada, while Idaho reactivated the National Guard to help hospitals overwhelmed with unvaccinated patients. Brazil, one of the worst-hit ones, has logged over 800 new fatalities and more than 24,000 cases overnight. Brazilian researchers have found that a molecule in the venom of a type of snake inhibited coronavirus reproduction in monkey cells. This is a possible first step towards a drug to combat the virus causing COVID-19.
We were able to see that the peptides not only inhibited the development of the virus in vitro, inside the cell, but we were also able to see here in São Carlos that it was able to inhibit one of the proteins that is very important for the development of the virus and the propagation of new viruses.
The European Union has announced to fully vaccinate 70% of all adults across the 27-country bloc. Meanwhile, the French authorities said they aim to administer the third shot of a vaccine to some 18 million people by early 2022. New Zealanders ventured out as tough lockdown measures were eased for most of the country. However, Australia's Victoria state recorded a jump in new local cases, while the lockdown in Melbourne has been extended for another 3 weeks.
And when we hit the 80% double dose number, which we anticipate will be in November, New South Wales looks forward to having our citizens enjoy international travel. And also, New South Wales looks forward to stepping up and welcoming thousands of Australians home.
As cases continue to surge across the Philippines, prison officials said efforts are underway to inoculate thousands of inmates. In Thailand, opposition threatened to intensify street protests fueled by frustration at the government's handling of the virus outbreak.